Tesla to $2,600? Let's talk about Cathie Wood. You know her, the ARK Invest founder who's not afraid to make huge bets on disruptive companies. Well, you're going to be glad you spent 5 minutes of your day watching this video because I happen to have the scoop on 3 of her boldest picks: Tesla, Palantir, and Coinbase. These companies might seem different at first glance, but Cathie sees a common thread that ties them together: artificial intelligence. We're going to break down each company, analyze Cathie's predictions, and discuss the potential risks and rewards. Get ready, because these are not your average stock picks. These are long-term plays that could redefine entire industries. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and be sure to watch till the end. Now you might be thinking, Tesla? Isn't that just an electric car company? Think again. Cathie sees Tesla as much more than that. She believes Tesla is on its way to becoming a full-blown AI and robotics giant. Let's start with the obvious: Tesla's cars. The Model Y is getting a refresh, and rumors are swirling about a $30,000 Tesla that could revolutionize the market. But here's where it gets really interesting. Tesla's self-driving technology is light years ahead of the competition. Cathie believes this will pave the way for robotaxis, a move that could completely disrupt the transportation industry. Imagine a world where Tesla's robotaxis operate 24/7, generating passive income for Tesla owners and the company. This is what Cathie Wood sees, and it's why she predicts Tesla stock could reach $2,600 per share by 2030. That's right, $2,600. I'd like to see Tom Walt's face when he hears this. Now that's a bold prediction, but Cathie's track record speaks for itself. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button before we move on. It helps me out and ensures you don't miss out. Next up, we have Palantir, a company shrouded in mystery and often misunderstood. Palantir builds software for analyzing massive data sets, and their clients include some of the most secretive organizations in the world, like the CIA and the Department of Defense. Now I know what you're thinking, isn't that kind of scary? Well, here's the thing. Palantir's technology is incredibly powerful, and they're using it to help governments and businesses make better decisions. Think about it. Palantir's AI is being used to track down terrorists, combat human trafficking, and even predict potential pandemics. On the commercial side, they're helping businesses optimize their operations and gain a competitive edge. Cathie Wood sees Palantir as the AI operating system for the real world. Their revenue growth has been impressive, and they're just scratching the surface of what their technology can do. Now, let's talk about Coinbase. You might know them as the platform where you can buy and sell Bitcoin, but Cathie Wood sees Coinbase as much more than just a crypto exchange. Coinbase is positioning itself as the infrastructure layer for the entire decentralized finance, or DeFi, ecosystem. This is a rapidly growing space that has the potential to revolutionize how we think about money and finance. Think about it. Coinbase offers a suite of products and services, including subscriptions, institutional custody, and even their own stablecoin. They're building the rails for a decentralized financial system, and Cathie believes they're just getting started. In fact, Cathie Wood sees up to 80% upside for Coinbase stock. That's right, 80%. Now that's a bold prediction, but Cathie's not afraid to bet on the future of finance. So we've covered Tesla, Palantir, and Coinbase, 3 very different companies, right? But here's the thing. They're all deeply connected by one common thread: artificial intelligence. Let's start with Tesla. Their self-driving technology is powered by their own AI chips and trained on a massive amount of data collected from their vehicles on the road. This data is constantly being used to improve their AI algorithms, making their self-driving system smarter and safer over time. Now, let's move on to Palantir. They're building the AI backbone for governments and enterprises, helping them make sense of massive data sets and make better decisions. Their AI is being used to optimize everything from military operations to supply chain management. And finally, Coinbase. They're playing a crucial role in the development of machine-to-machine finance. As DeFi continues to grow, Coinbase's platform will be essential for facilitating transactions and managing the underlying infrastructure. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what could go wrong? Well, let's be real. Investing in disruptive companies is inherently risky. Tesla's facing increasing competition in the electric vehicle market, and their self-driving technology is still under intense scrutiny. Palantir's reliance on government contracts could be a double-edged sword, and their technology raises privacy concerns. Coinbase's success is tied to the volatile world of cryptocurrency, and they're facing regulatory challenges. But here's the thing. Cathie Wood is a long-term investor. She's not fazed by short-term volatility. She's looking for companies that have the potential to change the world, even if it takes years or even decades to play out. Remember Amazon? People thought Jeff Bezos was crazy when he started selling books online. Look at them now. And Apple? They were on the verge of bankruptcy before Steve Jobs returned and turned them into the most valuable company in the world. So there you have it, Cathie Wood's bold bets on Tesla, Palantir, and Coinbase. These are companies that are pushing the boundaries of innovation and have the potential to reshape entire industries. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more deep dives into disruptive companies and investment strategies, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 stocks would you buy right now? Tesla, the AI and robotics giant? Palantir, the AI backbone for the real world? Or Coinbase, the gateway to decentralized finance? Let me know in the comments below. I enjoyed bringing this one to you. Thanks for watching.